Cleaning tips for anyone with allergies. Here are 6 tips to reduce allergens throughout your home. Since we spend so many hours in our bedrooms surrounded by lots of soft, dust-catching surfaces, it is essential to clean everything weekly. The most dangerous allergens in bathrooms are mold and mildew. You can halt and remove mildew growth with chlorine bleach, hydrogen peroxide, or a commercial mildew cleaner. Always read directions carefully and never mix different chemicals. Just as in a bedroom, start cleaning at the top of the room so that dust and allergens drift down to be captured by a damp mop or vacuum. The kitchen is prime real estate for mold growth and insect droppings. To prevent mold and mildew growth, use a vented exhaust fan to reduce moisture. Regularly check the sink, refrigerator, and freezer for leaks and repair promptly. A good way to reduce allergens in your home is to prevent them from coming in. At least weekly, clean outside entryways by sweeping or hosing away pollen. Have everyone in the family take off their shoes before going into the house. Store outerwear in an entry area rather than bedrooms to keep pollen at bay. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.